Welcome to this new video where we solve the issue of full resolution problem on a Windows VM installed on VirtualBox environment. So sometimes you might have experienced that the VirtualBox VM which is installed in Oracle VirtualBox doesn't appear on a full screen. To solve this problem, VirtualBox has come up with VirtualBox Guest Editions, which provides seamless integration, full screen resolution, drag and drop, and many other number of features. To achieve this, what we have to do is we have to go on the Devices tab available in the top toolbar of the VirtualBox environment, and from there we have to select the option of Insert Guest Editions. So after inserting VirtualBox guest editions, when you will open this PC, you will see that one CD is attached to the VirtualBox which contains the software for installing VirtualBox guest editions. Whenever you will open the CD, you will see a number of options inside it which contains the required files for the installation. From here, we have to select VirtualBox guest editions files for 64-bit as we are running a Windows 64-bit VM on Oracle VirtualBox. You will see a setup and click next, install next, and it will take some time to install all the files on the new VM. Once done, please reboot the system so that all the drivers can be reinstalled and reloaded. When you restart the system, you will notice that the issue of screen resolution has been solved using VirtualBox guest editions.